Welcome, children. Today we are going to recite a poem and try to understand the same. Okay? The title of the poem is Puppy and I, written by A. Milne. Now, children, this poem is about a young boy. Okay? It expresses the encounter of a young boy with a man, a horse, women and a puppy while walking one fine day. Okay, चलते चलते रास्ते में वो किसको किसको मिलता है. Okay, वो young boy, उसके बारे में इस poem में describe किया है. Okay, so let's start with it. I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, men and I. That means that young boy is telling that while I was walking, first of all, I met a man. Okay. And we started talking to each other. Now, where are you going to, man? I said to the man as he went by. So that young boy asked that man that where are you going? Okay. Then that man replied, उस आदमी ने जवाब दिया, down to the village to get some bread. What did that man say? That I am going down to the village. Okay, मैं village की तरफ जा रहा हूँ to get some bread. Will you come with me? Then that man asked that young boy कि तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? No, not I. Who said that? The young boy said, no, that I will not come. Okay, then next he meets a horse. Okay, see in the next stanza. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. So again that young boy says that while he was walking, next after the man he met a horse. Okay, and they started talking to each other. Where are you going to, horse, today? I said to the horse as he went by. So that young boy asked horse that where are you going to, horse, today? Now the horse replied, horse ने जवाब दिया, down to the village to get some hay. Horse क्या बोला? That I am going down to the village, okay, to get some hay. Hay मतलब चारा. Will you come with me? Now horse also asked that young boy that will you come with me? Then again this boy replied, no, not I. Okay, again उस लड़के ने क्या बोला कि no, I will not come. Then next this boy meets a woman. Okay, I met a woman as I went walking. We got talking, woman and I. Now again this boy met a woman. Okay, and they started talking to each other. Where are you going to, women, so early? Okay, now that boy asked that woman that where are you going? Okay, I said to the woman as she went by, down to the village to get some barley. Now that woman again replied that I am going down to the village. मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ? मैं किस ओर जा रही हूँ? मैं village की तरफ जा रही हूँ. To get some barley. Barley means jaw. Okay. Will you come with me? Again that woman also asked to the young boy, will you come with me? Then again that young boy replied, no, not I. Okay. Next, that boy now meets a puppy. Okay. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this nice fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. Now again, as that young boy meets a puppy, he asks puppy that where are you going this nice fine day? Now the puppy replied, up to the hills to roll and play. पपी ने क्या जवाब दिया कि मैं ऊपर हिल्स की तरफ जा रहा हूँ to roll and to play. I will come with you, puppy, said I. Now he told puppy, this young boy told puppy, उसने puppy को क्या बोला कि I'll come with you, puppy, said I. Okay, so I hope you understood this poem. So this young boy, on his way, he meets first of all a man, okay, who is going down to the village to get some bread. Then he meets a horse who is going down to the village to get some hay, okay. And then this boy meets a woman, and that woman is going down to the village to get some barley, okay. And then finally this young boy meets a puppy, okay, and that puppy is going up to the hills to roll and play. Now first he was asked by this man that whether he would accompany him, but then he refused. Then again he was asked by the horse, that young boy was asked by the horse that whether he would join him, but then again he says no, okay. फिर उसको वुमेन पूछती है कि तुम मेरे साथ आओगे, will you accompany me, okay. Then also he says no, but then finally when he meets the puppy and he comes to know that the puppy is going up to the hills to roll and play, then that young boy says that I will come with you, puppy, okay. तो वो young boy ready हो जाता है puppy के साथ जाने के लिए. Understood the whole poem, okay. Now students, did you note down the rhyming words in this poem? Rhyming words are the words that have the same ending sounds, okay. See here in the first stanza, walking, talking, said, bread, okay. Then again in the second stanza, walking, talking already are there. New rhyming words in this stanza are today, hay. Then next stanza, early, barley. Then in the last stanza, day, play, okay. So all these are rhyming words, okay. So at last students, again I am reciting the whole poem. Explanation part is done. Just see how to recite and practice it at home, okay. I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Where are you going to? Man, I said. I said to the man as he went by. Down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Where are you going to, horse? Today? I said to the horse as he went by. Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a woman as I went walking. We got talking, woman and I. Where are you going to, woman, so early? I said to the woman as she went by. Down to the village to get some barley. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this nice fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. Up to the hills to roll and play. I'll come with you, puppy, said I. End of session. Hope you all enjoyed it. See you in the next lecture.